your plants looking a little parched and tired this August? Wondering if there's a secret to keeping them lush and thriving? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're unlocking the ultimate guide to watering your garden in August. Stick around because we're about to transform your garden into a summer paradise with just a few simple tricks. August can be a real challenge for gardeners. The sun is relentless and your plants are practically begging for a drink. So, how do you give them the hydration they need without turning your garden into a soggy mess? Let's dive in and discover the secrets to keeping your garden vibrant and healthy. First up, timing is everything. Watering early in the morning or late in the afternoon is your best bet. Why? Because this way, your plants get a refreshing drink before the sun's harsh rays have a chance to evaporate it all away. Plus, the cooler temperatures make it easier on your plants. So set that alarm a little earlier or wait until the sun starts to dip. Your garden will thank you. Now, let's talk about how much water your garden actually needs. Aim to deliver about 1 inch of water per week. But here's a nifty trick. If the top inch of your soil feels dry to the touch, it's time to water. Use your fingers to check if it's moist below the surface. You're on track. Avoid overwatering because soggy soil is a no-go. Think of it as finding the perfect balance too little, and your plants are thirsty, too much, and their roots could drown. When you're watering, make sure to target the base of your plants. Directing water right to the roots helps them soak it up better. Avoid watering the leaves to prevent pesky fungal diseases. And remember, use a gentle stream, no fire hoses here. You don't want to blast your plants away. A slow and steady approach is the way to go. For those of you with larger gardens or garden beds, consider investing in a drip irrigation system. It's like giving your plants a personal butler. This system delivers water straight to their roots while saving both water and time. It's a game changer for maintaining a lush garden without breaking a sweat. And don't forget about mulch. Adding a cozy layer of mulch around your plants keeps the soil moist and cool. Organic mulches like straw or wood chips are fantastic because they decompose over time, feeding your soil in the process. It's like a spa day for your garden, keeping it cool, happy, and hydrated. Here's a final pro tip. Stay tuned to the weather. If it's been rainy, cut back on watering. If you're facing a heat wave, your garden might need a bit more TLC. Flexibility is key. Adjust your watering schedule based on the conditions, and your garden will reward you with vibrant blooms and healthy greens. And that's a wrap on watering your garden in August. Follow these tips, and you'll keep your garden looking fabulous all summer long. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome gardening tips. Got questions or watering hacks of your own? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. See you next time.